Hey guys, welcome back to Volt's YouTube channel. Today we got a quick little video for you guys. I wanted to talk a little bit about the differences between beard combs and beard brushes. More specifically, beard combs and spiral barrel brushes. Now everyone has seen the classic beard brush before. It's usually just a handle with some boar bristles coming out the end of it. But believe it or not, that's not the only beard brush out there, and we're gonna get into that today. Here at Volt, we offer a few different beard brushes. One of them is that Volt Octo brush I mentioned earlier, which is just the wooden handle with the boar bristles. But this one is Volt's utility brush. So let's get into it. What is a beard comb good for? Well, Volt's twin comb, which I'm holding my hand right here, has two different sides. So there's the fine edge on top with a lot of thinner kind of tines, and there's the thicker ones which are more evenly and openly spaced on the bottom. This one happens to be made of natural pear wood, but all in all beard combs, no matter what they're made of, are supposed to do one thing, which is detangle the hair in your beard. Now, wooden combs like this one also tend to get rid of static electricity in your beard and hair because wood is not positively charged. Either way, these smaller, closer tines on top are really good for styling because you can direct your hair very intricately with these tinier tines on top. The bigger ones down here are really good for just detangling because all the knots in your hair and things like that won't get as caught as they would in the tinier tines up here. And that's really all there is to it when it comes to beard combs. It's pretty cut and dry. So then what is the difference between a beard comb and something like the utility brush? Well, put simply, the Volt utility brush is actually meant to combine the kind of benefits that you get from a standard beard brush as well as a comb. And I can explain a bit more about how it does this. Now, this beard utility brush is made of pine wood. It's got real boar bristles, and it also kind of has a secret ingredient to it that helps it combine the benefits of a brush and a comb. And those are nylon ball-tipped bristles. Boar bristles are pretty soft compared to nylon ball-tipped bristles. So boar bristles tend to flex and bend a lot easier. And this is great when you're trying to do something like spread oils or dig through and around beard hair like you should do with a typical beard brush. But it's not great when you're trying to detangle things in your beard because typically the bristles will just flex away from the tangle and it won't dig through it. Maybe you can hear this. As opposed to, and that is where those nylon ball-tip bristles come in. They will actually help you dig through the knots and tangles in your hair, especially if you have a longer beard. And as you can see in the photos, those bristles are actually surrounded by the natural boar hair bristles, which will flex around the hair and spread the oils evenly. And so, to put simply, you're killing two birds with one stone. You are getting rid of the knots and tangles in your beard, and you are spreading the oils and styling and shaping your beard as well. Now, the only downside of this really is that it's not very convenient to kind of travel around with. It's a bit larger brush, but you can use it in your beard and hair. And so we typically find it really useful as just kind of an item to keep in your drawer at home in the bathroom when you need something that can both exfoliate as well as kind of clear away those tangles in your beard. So why then would you choose something like a typical beard brush or beard comb? Well, the answer is probably either convenience or maybe you just don't need to detangle your beard hair. For example, I have a much shorter beard than maybe you do. And because my beard hair don't even get that long in the first place, they never tangle with each other. So I never really need to use a beard comb. I do, however, always use a beard brush. So typically then my personal go-to is this boar bristle brush. But if you have a longer beard and you want something that you can use on both your beard and your hair, then you're gonna wanna try that Volt utility brush. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Hopefully you found some good tidbits of information in here. I'll have links to everything I talked about earlier in the description below. And if you guys like this video and you want more cool beard tips, or if you have questions for us, leave those in the comments and feel free to like and subscribe. That way you can be notified every time we put out another video. We've got a ton of shorts, we've got a ton of videos, we've got a ton of cool stuff coming, so you guys are not gonna wanna miss that. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.